Hey, so I'm going to show you in this video how to create light burst text effect in After Effects. So let me show you what you have to do. We're going to start here a new composition. I'm just going to reset this, and now here we're going to go and add some text. I just pressed Command plus T, and now here I'll write shadow. And now I'm just gonna position this right in the middle, align, position this here, uncheck caps lock, lock, command plus D, and now we have two. We're gonna need two. Then here in the search bar, just write light, and then here grab this light burst and drag it onto your video, and then your text story, and then just move this down here. And then here we're gonna need this to set to -200, so it's in the back. We don't need this in the front, because if you go like this, then it's in the front. Now depends how you want this. Maybe you want different. I don't know. I don't know what you really want, but that's how you add this effect. Now you can add maybe this effect. You can add more effects too, or maybe this. We're gonna move back there, and then gonna move here, and then we can add there's so many effects that you can choose from. This one here as well. Also you can change as you can see the light source, but for instance for this one here I can change this to here, or move the light the center here where I want. And now here you can add effects. Maybe you want to add some effects to your text, or maybe animate your text. But yeah, that's basically what you have to do. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and take care.